Hello friends, today in this session I am going to cover Numpy introduction. Numpy is a package, this is package in Python which is used for scientific computing. Its full form is numerical Python. So this package provides support of multi-dimensional or single dimensional arrays or big arrays and matrices. So what we can do by using Numpy, so on arrays or on matrices we can perform multiple mathematical functions used to operate on these arrays like summation or subtraction, multiplication. These are the basic operations, but apart from that we can perform lot other kind of operations by using Numpy package, which is difficult in doing which is difficult to do in Python list. So let's understand so what all key features Numpy package is having. So first is arrays. So Numpy provides ND array object, which is multi-dimensional array. So this data structure is core of Numpy, and this data structure is very efficient to perform numerical operations other than Python list. Because if you see in Python list, there are some limitations. We cannot perform mathematical operations like trigonometric operations or other kind of operations. So we can have only simple kind of operations using list. So since Numpy is implemented in C language, and this is also optimized for numerical operations, so it makes it efficient or faster than Python list for numerical computation. And also it provides facilities like memory efficiencies there, vectorized operations are there, so we can easily perform operations, mathematical operations, and also these are helpful for data science model creation. We can use Numpy package for doing operations on array. So lots of other usage you will see later on. So this is better choice due to performance, specialized functionality for general data storage and manipulation perspective. So second point is mathematical operations. We already covered that it can perform lots of other mathematical operations like trigonometric functions, exponential, logarithmic functions, and lot other kind of operations. So third point is broadcasting. Here broadcasting means that Numpy allows broadcasting, means it can perform operations on arrays of different shapes and sizes. Like you can perform operation between one dimensional and two dimensional array, because Numpy automatically expands smaller array to match the shape of larger array, and it makes this very easy to work with data of different types of dimensions. Next feature is like random number generation. It provides functions to get random number, and along with the random numbers we can do sampling based, wherein it can get random numbers with various probability distributions perspective, right? So it takes parameters like range, like start, end, and then probability distribution. So based on that it generates random number. I will show you in demo in next session as well. Next is array manipulation. So Numpy provides function to manipulate arrays like reshaping, slicing, joining, splitting arrays. So we will get into more detail into these operations in upcoming videos. But overall these 4-5 things like reshaping, slicing, joining, these are to manipulate the arrays very efficiently in single command by using function. So next feature is linear algebra. It includes submodule for linear algebra operations, wherein linear equations covered, and also linear equations with respect to matrices it covers. Next feature is integration with other libraries. This is very good feature. Reason is that Numpy used to work on arrays and matrices for mathematical operations. Then further we need to use other packages for data visualization, for scientific or technical computing perspective, for data analysis perspective. So for those cases we use other libraries like SciPy, Matplotlib, and Pandas library. So initially suppose we have taken some data in array or matrices, then further start doing further operations or start doing further visualization or analysis based on different packages. So NumPy works with other packages in conjunction with different scientific and other packages, which is helpful to create complete models for data science or machine learning. So how to use NumPy? So to use NumPy, if you have Jupyter or other tool, if you have, then in that case you have to first import the package. So import NumPy as NP. Initially you have to write this. NP is object here. If we look into the benefits of NumPy, NumPy is an essential tool which is used in many fields like data science, machine learning, scientific research and engineering perspective. It works on numerical data and mathematical operations, and best thing is by using NumPy we can have better performance, better memory efficiency, we can do better operations. It's helpful for specialized functionalities which are required for working on any type of fields. So this is overall introduction which I covered in this session. In next session we will be looking into demo how to use NumPy, how to create arrays by using different functions of NumPy, how to use random numbers and all. So upcoming demo would be helpful for you to understand how NumPy works with the arrays and matrices to perform mathematical operations. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.